All right, so we've been hearing a lot about Midjourney, and I've been playing around myself with Midjourney. But at one point, I ran out of their free subscription, which allowed me to type 25 images, I believe. We can check their online, but that's the thing. If you are into the same situation as I am, you need to create more images. So maybe this is a time to look for something. And there's something I found on the midjourney, which I could not basically create more. So this is their website and the bot having messages that I ran out of those subscriptions. So what I found is the blue willow. So let's take a look and see what they have to offer. And this is free. So right now it's in beta version. So that's why it's free. We don't have any prices. We can look up their website, logos, graphics, and how does it work. You can find out more details. You can read about it. Once you sign up the beta version, you should be able to use a couple of things. I wanted to check how does it work. We go in their section. Once we here, and then before I go to the Discord, a couple of things I wanted to make sure. Okay, so you can read all about them. What I was going to find out more about them, who they are basically. But that's you can take a look. But they allow you to use it, and they're competing with Midjourney. So once you sign up, that's the interface you get. It's pretty much as same as Midjourney because it's a Discord. So once you're there, you can start doing the same thing, prompt and all those. So you can start your rookie test, and then you can type / imagine basically, and you can type, hey, MacBook of future. So once it's ready, we can find out more about it once the image is ready. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do is here we can create or look for some other images. Like here we have other servers, you want to call it, rookie 19, 20, 21. So the one I created should have been ready by now. Let me try to, yeah, so there you go. So basically this is the MacBook version of future, whichever. So we can go back and jump to the same thing, same as in Midjourney. You can jump here. Now, if you like which one of them you think is a futuristic, for example, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 ultra version you can create, or if you need some more variation, you can go with 1, 2, 3, 4 and click one of them. So you can create variations, you can create a upscale quality of that. So there's also the same thing with the aspect ratio, you can change it. Let's try, somebody put future city, it looks like Dubai example, but we can try with something else, for example, let's imagine a hired man in a desert riding on a camel, and aspect ratio dash ratio. These two should take my command, and what we can do is create some more. So we did for Iron Man. Let's try / imagine. Let's say we wanted to go and create something salad, something food. So Chinese food or anything along those lines. So let's try to create be creative. What kind of food I wanted to have. I would say I will go with some sea slash imagine seafood healthy salad. And here you go. Okay, that looks so funny. Iron Man with the camel. So this is the, I don't know. Yeah. We'll test more, but in the Midjourney, I have not seen anything such like that. So this is one, two, three, four. I think I can go with the three. So three is good, and we need some variation. So let's try with the more variation of the third one. Oh wow, seafood! Look at that. This is really awesome. So I think I'll go with the one and see if it can come up with more variations. So one is pretty awesome, and then we'll wait for wow. That's pretty fast, I guess. Yeah. So I like it. So what I'm gonna do is that um with this one, we'll see in the browser. We should have a how wow, that's a beauty. So I'm fine with that. I like it. So now if you go back, this one, it came up with some more variation of that. So yeah. So I think their platform is, in my opinion, still in beta. So you cannot expect the perfect or the same good result, but it's really good. I look at others one, right? So if I don't want to pay and I want to use some unlimited option for the image creation, I'll be fine, because Midjourney is costly. You have to pay for that, and here is pretty much everything is free. So uh, I don't mind using it. What we can do also, we can compare something from midjourney, for example, if you wanted to see um, logo with whoever created that logo with lion roaring, we can come back here and imagine, right, and see if we get the same image or not, right? So we'll also see, because their backend system of the AI, we don't know how does it work, but they should be able to produce the same result. We'll find out if they are. In here, it's everybody's creation, and it's an open public platform, community platform. So if I like somebody's creativity, I should be able to use. I did not read anywhere because this is open platform, and you should be able to use. So for example, in this, I need some more variation on the number two. I just clicked on that. So waiting on that. It came pretty fast. Oh no. Okay, so this is what we saw on the Midjourney here. It came up with. So if you go back to Midjourney, we will be able to hopefully see that, or we can. I cannot type it because I my paid account, but this is what I'm saying. You can compare and see, um, what's the difference. Because I'm sure it will not mimic the same result because they are different platform, but they should be able to give you good enough images so you can use that. So again, imagine I'm copying just to compare and see does it bring the same thing or not. So I created some variation for that line, if you remember. So the tiger, yeah. So again, it's in beta, so I'm fine. I'm happy with that. I have no complaints. It's slash can do imagine slash imagine a Marvel heroes. Yeah, it really doesn't care about the spelling, these platform, AI platform. So that's the logo one. We just saw it was different and it came up with something. So that's fine. They do have different algorithm for sure. And then they give you the unlimited option for the images. So I'm waiting for the Marvel one, where let's see how that Marvel one shows up here, and then we will be able to take the ultra picture of that and see. So it came up with all the Marvel heroes. This one is cut off, so I don't know why these two was cut off. So if I were to go with, I don't know which one is it. But let's for the sake of testing it, we'll use this two and see if the quality of that one, how you, because that's also important when you're creating those images and see the quality of that. For example, here, if from the avatar, if you want to see the, I would say the 41234, we'll try the 41. If you wanted to see the quality of, for example, all right, so I produced one more image, just wanted to check the quality of this one. And this looks pretty good to me, like we've seen on the Flip of the Gaming. Look at the detail here. So this looks pretty good. So that's being said, I mean, you gotta play. I have no complaints. Something available as a free version, you can beat that. And if you really need some high quality stuff, then you may want to consider signing up for the membership on Midjourney. But all the free stuff is really worth experimenting this one and doing a pretty awesome job. So let me know what you think about it. If you're using it, what's your experience? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.